Welcome to Career Smart Learner. Hi, I am Nandini Jha from Career Education Group. Here I will like to introduce a new course or a new venture by Career Education Group, that is Personality Development and Communication Skill. Now, what is a personality? Actually, a personality is a sum total of your habits, your environment, your own belief. Actually, when you live in a social structure, you behave in that way. That is known as personality. We can enhance the personality. We can train our personality. A very nice, great person used to say that your plant will never fail. Your heart desire will be granted if you believe in yourself. You have to believe in yourself only if you have a confidence, you have a trust in yourself. Now, how to get a trust in yourself? Let's first talk about that. Benefits of personality. It enhances your self-confidence. It improves your communication skill. It increase or enhance your ability. Your social influence is increased. Most important, you can control your emotions, various emotions. You have anger, you have a stress, you have a behavioral problem. This all can be controlled by your personality. Here we are with a best modified design course of personality development. As I'll say that different groups need or different types of things. Desires are different. As we are adults, we want something else. Kids want something else. So we designed a course according to their needs. We have a Stellar Kids course that is from 6 years to 12 years. We have youth course that is Go-Getter teenagers from 12 to 18. We have iconic youth 18 to 24 years. We have women's, which we are always planning, and as our Prime Minister used to say, empowering a woman is empowering the nation. So, women having a different needs, having a different course, 25 years and above. We have executive course also, but at present we are concentrating to 2 levels, that is Stellar Kids 6 to 12, Go-Getter teenagers and women's. We have more focus on these courses. Now, what these courses include? The courses includes 3 basic workshops. First is oral communication workshop, that is body language, posture, expression, role play and vocal modulation. Now, one thing I want to explain you. What is body language? Body language is a posture. Usually, standing like this is not a right posture, or standing like this is not a right posture. Standing inclined is not a right posture. So, each and every posture, your facial expressions, everything are taught in a body language. The second is expression of your face. Everything is not said by the words. Something can be said by your eyes expressions. That expressions, eyes expressions, your lip movement, your hand movement are taught in the expression. We will also go for a role play. Each child will play each different role every day so that they can have a behavioral management. Because while playing a role, they will understand what are the problems of mother, what are the problems of father, what are the problems of teacher. So they will learn how to deal at different places in different ways. In value workshop, we will go for building values, time management, family and school friends, money and morals and reading environment. All these are important. I will not go only for the spiritual thing, though in our Vedas and all that, we have many things to be learned or to be taught to the child. But not only that, we will also go with the best stories great personalities who have never cared about their dressing, but their speeches have made their way. They were very shy, very introvert, but they turned to the extrovert world and have taken a world in their way. These things will be taught in a value workshop. Introvert will be turned into extrovert. The important is money and reading environment. We will help to inculcate a habit of reading in a child. We will also give, after this 2 training, we will also give the allocation training to them. This will be the third part, when they get a fluency, when good vocabulary, good postural expressions, then we will move to the allocation training. We will also give them the fluency. This is a communication skill part taught to them. Presentation skill. The 2 presentation skill will be taught to them, PowerPoint presentation and paper pen presentation. Both will be taught to them. Now, with all this, the child will learn many things. Now, what they will learn? They will learn goal setting, they will learn time management, they will learn anger management, they will learn stress management. With that, they will learn English fluency with body language and voice modulation. Where to increase the voice, where to decrease the voice, what pitch should be there, how the difference should be there between 2 people, where the mic should be placed. This all things will be taught to them. Fear of stage will be removed from a child after this course is complete. In short, we will give them 55 skills in this single course. The best investment in child is the best investment of the parents. The older people used to say this. Our course is designed in such a way that public speaking is there, but with that, it's a unique feature is a communication skill, soft skill. Everything is included in this personality development course. So, I will request you all to please come forward and help your child to be the better individual. Give us a hand of your child to make him the better individual. Thank you. For any inquiries, please